Okay. Alright, let me check if my phone works now. Okay. Okay. Yes, the very unstable, but okay. It'll stabilize at some point.
What are you talking about?
Okay.
What are you talking about?
Does this make it more stable? Yes? Maybe. No.
What's the problem?
Okay, it should start kind of working in a hot second. There we go. Alright. So, welcome. I will be doing some live streaming. So, same thing as I did, I think it was yesterday. It was yesterday. So just some roguelike development. Okay, thank you for the emotional support. The emotional support is the key part. Also, my tea could potentially burn my tongue, so that could also happen. Okay. I forgot. I added way too many enemies. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Okay. Huh. Okay. So, if the monster is in the view, then they can only move. Or no, that's when it will trigger. So we can do... Okay. Okay, so we're gonna get the map. We're gonna get the FOV map. So that'd be... self fighter.owner dot game dot game dot Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Okay. FOV map. Okay. So we'll pull the FOV map here. If you have any questions about what I'm doing, feel free to ask in the chat below, or to the side, wherever it might be. Okay. So we'll just say, okay, if it just so happens, hey, I'm a monster, I'm in the field of view, right? Then that's when we will add the monster. Well, that's when we'll trigger the monster and be like, yo, you can move now. Okay. Map is in FOV. Return true if a cell is lit. Map. That's load. Use FOV. Okay. That did not help. FOV. Boolean array of cells lit by any. Okay. Cool. So we can say, all right, if the FOV, I know this is weird, but so normally when you do a two-dimensional array, you go Y, X, but then I formatted mine to be X, Y, so that's why we have to go Y, X on this one. So if FOV map has the fighter owner Y, fighter owner X, and have that equal to true, anti-weeping angels. No, they only move if you see. Yeah, no, they're just regular enemies. If they can see you, then if they can see you, no, if you see them and then they see you, then they move and they attack you. If not, then now only trigger AI if in FOV. Okay. That's a predicament. Map object does not support indexing. Map object. Oh, okay. Does it do it now? Okay. Yes. Yeah. Wait, is he moving? Huh, okay. Maybe their AI is weird. Okay. Path. I'm gonna print dx plus I have a fear, and that fear is that these AI is going crazy. Okay. What about A star get path edge cost. The value of 0 will disable it entirely. Oh, that's what you're doing. Yeah. Returns a to reach a goal point if possible. Okay. No. Where does it say roguelike for furries? Okay, we'll set the... Okay. Set this to be 0. Let's see if that does anything. Ooh. Okay, hey. Nope. I think I made him too weak. Okay. I think I just have to make my player stronger. To make him stronger, then he'll probably be better in general. Oh, it's for fun. Yeah, it's for fun. Defense. It's okay. Okay. Health. Health. I think what I need to add is I have to add a dashboard to show where like the player's health and everything. Okay. Because I can't really debug this properly if I don't have a dashboard. Okay. So we can have a dashboard class, I guess. And that could handle some of the stuff for us. Let's see what we have for that. So let's say I want to put something to the screen. What do I do? This is for a line. That's always fun. Let's look at console commands. So we can set it font, we can set the root console, we can flush the console. We can blit a console to another console. Clear a console. Check for console's key press. We can have console's credits. Fill a background. We can fill a character. And a fill with array. We can pull a console from file. So that's like ASCII. Get alignment. Yeah, that's why I'm putting it on its own console. You can have multiple consoles on there. That's kind of the point. Okay. Order which numpy thing to use. Console blitz. So you can blitz the console onto a console. Clear that console. Then I guess draw all the other stuff. Okay. So, if we go to our engine, go to our game, okay, there's our render function. shall do is have it set up. Okay. So let's do this. Dashboard console is equal to a new console. And we'll give it a width of 50 and then like a height of 20 for now. And then we will put, once we create our console, we will put a string onto it. Print a color formatted string. Okay. Color print okay x y and then string bg blend string alignment. Okay. Print at 0 0 hello larger. What? Yeah. I'm just, this is a testing. Wait, let me put this. There, it's debug. Now you know it's for testing. So. Okay. Now we all know. So that will be, then we'll take our root console. Then we will bullet from this console onto the other console. Okay, what about fine. Root console source external from this console to bullet, from width of the region to bullet. Okay, yeah, I definitely agree that it would be probably preferable to do that. Okay, well, since we're using the root console, if I were to use T-code console bullet, because this will just bullet it to the console source to console dest. Okay, that's just a helper. Well, we'll just use this one because this makes sense. From, yeah, this will be parameterized, and once I can run the test on this. So we're gonna put this onto our root console at, say, 100. Not gonna worry about this stuff. Then we are gonna do 0 0 0 0. Source should be just a dashboard one, and then that should be fine. And then we'll have a clear render, but that's not our concern right now. Okay, what about, so that didn't really work, I guess. Oh, what if we put it, how are you doing? I'm doing fine. I'm just a little bit, I don't have all the tea in my system. Okay, at 0 0, that's fine. So we'll just put our stuff up there. So then for this guy, no, okay. Do we? I don't think we even have a 0, 0. Okay, there we go. And if I did 0, 10. Okay, if I did. What happened? It's like I went up there. Nope, I died again. What? Wait, oh. Michael, get Vika to pick me up. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, my brother. Okay, I think I know what's wrong. Let me. So I did this and I bled it to the console. This part, I got an idea. This part goes here. Okay, I don't know what happened. I think that whatever issue I encountered, I think I fixed it. Okay, I hope I did. Because what happens is that first you render this and then you render the objects, because I'm guessing this console, it gets rendered onto it first. And then that overwrote everything else, basically. So then we'll write a function that'll be like, okay, just like how we have this one taking the root console, we'll have a dashboard and that'll take in the root console. And then for a game, we'll have a array of dashboards, right? So basically, based off of what's going on in the thing, you can selectively enable or disable certain dashboards, right? And they'll all render here. So this is for rendering the game objects. This is for rendering the map. This is for clearing the game objects. And then this is for clearing the map. Okay. So let me just text my mom, because my brother's stranded somewhere. Okay. So let's make a dashboard, right? And well, yeah. And then we'll have it. That's pretty neat. If all dashboards can enable and disable, maybe give them a common super. Well, we'll have a. We'll give it. We'll have a. We'll figure it out as it goes. I guess this will be in a new folder. Okay. UI. Dashboard. Okay. And class dashboard base. So I think it'll kind of be like each sort of dashboard has a okay, each sort of dashboard can be like, okay, so this is the base one, right? And then there's gonna be fighter dashboard, which displays characteristics of a fighter, right? Then there'll be you know, inventory dashboard, right? Something like that. Initial one is just like this. So that one will have a width and a height. And we will also give it the root, well, we'll give it the root console when we draw to it, because we can have it where one dashboard could draw on another dashboard. So we'll have it where the draw font method takes in the console, because that could change. Now last time I was messing around with dashboards, it wasn't too pretty, but hopefully it'll be better this time. Because the content or the information didn't update as properly as I think it should have. Nested dashboard. Well, you see, cause like there's gonna be, cause I want to also implement, you know, that thing from Undertale that they had, and that's gonna mean really customizable dashboards. So. I guess we'll have a dashboard. I guess. Wait. Let's see. Okay. If we have a dashboard and it's gonna be. I guess we'll have an out X. Well, a HUD. This is like a specific. Well, I guess a HUD. This is a component of the HUD. The HUD is a series of components. This is just a component of it. Because there'll also be like a how. Well, I don't know. I can modify it later, I guess. Okay. So when you draw it, and then you clear it, I guess you'll have X and Y. X, Y. Zero, 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 zero. So dot width height. Console out. What was the 0 and 5 for? 0 and 5 was the output, so output destination. And then if we wanted to clear it, then we just say, okay, cool. Flash to represent, update the display to represent the root consoles. Yeah, okay, but that's not important. I guess clearing it is really just dependent on reset the console to its default. No, it's just a clear method. Okay, so it's definitely gonna do all that stuff. Alright, so this is the fighter dashboard, and what that'll do. Cat or dog? I don't know if you have a cat or a dog. So many abbreviations. I'm so spooked. I'm scared. This is scary. Okay. And this we'll give it a fighter as an additional thing. Okay. Render fighter to console. I hope not. Okay, render Render the fighter to the console. So self, health, defense, damage. Okay. I guess what really matters for these dashboards is actually the width. The height doesn't really matter that much. Okay, so I guess in this case we will clear dashboards, and then go here. Clear dashboard equals. Now it's time to get our dashboard. Dashboards. From the UI import add, okay, and then we can do g dot add, add dashboard to game, and then cannot import name fighter dashboard. Fight her? Fight her? Why not? Oh, okay, I know why. Dashboard base is not defined. Oh boy. Maximum recursion if alignment is none. What? 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 Where? Render fighter to console. Alignment. Alignment. Oh boy. I don't know. What's the base case? Let's see what the base case is. Any of you viewers have any questions about what's going on? How your day's going, you know? Maximum recursion def. What part? Maximum recursion def. Line repeated 991 times. What? How? No. No. Why? Such a meme. Okay. Fighter attribute has no property. Has no attribute of X. Yes, it does. It's right. I was wrong. I was wrong all along. Dude, there it is. There's our dashboard right there. Oh boy. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay, what about I want to move my dashboard. Where is he? Yeah, that's how work works. Work is work. You know what? I need to look at my whatchamacallit. I need to look at my schedule for work tomorrow. Gotta see how many people I'm teaching. Okay, now we're gonna go Super Saiyan mode. Okay. For him. That was gonna be good. There we go. Now it should update, right? Oh. And then we're dead. Hey, that's perfect. Perfect. Okay. So, I guess. And then That's pretty good. I think, and then we have to have a. I think if you if you if you kill an enemy successfully, so like if we know, like if you hit an enemy. Wait. Wait. If you have an enemy and you have like a simulate hit function, maybe, then you could be like, okay. Or no, it goes back. It goes back. So you say, all right, for the fighter class, if I die as the result of dying because of somebody else, I'm gonna call the other person's gain XP function with the XP that the person would gain if they were to kill me. Yeah. So we'll do that. XPGE. What's an XPGE? Oh, I know what's happened. Okay. So we overrode it by accident. Then we don't have a line for that. XP seems a bit complex. It's not complex, we just have to find a way to level the system up. So that way you don't like die super easily, you just have to be tactical about it. Because if your health goes down too much, then you're kind of screwed. Or I think I got a better idea. So instead of doing XP, what's probably better is if there's like a couple of factory characters. So it's just like we'll have a helper script. No, we'll pass in an array, and that array will be a dictionary, and that dictionary will basically be used as a set of potential monsters to spawn. So all we have to do is we just got to get some couple colors that look nice for different monsters and different character things. So what we'll have is that we'll have the current level of the game. So if you're on level 1, so we'll have so basically here how it goes. Dungeon goes. You're on dungeon. Say you're on floor 1, right? So you have floors. So you're on floor 1, monsters are okay. Floor 2, they're harder. Floor 3, they're harder. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. And then what you have to do is that with certain monsters, I don't know, it's gonna get the fighting mechanic will probably evolve or something, but I think I just have to add variety. I can add XP system later. Actually, we should add a system. I'm gonna add a, what should I do? I know what I'll do. I'll add a UI pop-up for whenever you die, so you can restart the game. Okay. That's what I'll do today. So first, let me just remove. Gotta be practical about this. Okay. XP is good, but I don't think that's necessary right now. Okay. So I actually, because I need to find the direction to go. So I think a floor system is good. Well, I think it should balance out. It'll balance out by itself. I just have to. I can write the balancer later. I just need to get a variety of monsters going right now. So, like, if I encounter... okay. So each monster has a certain percentage chance of spawning. So if you're like, okay, cool, yeah, I got a number that's greater than 0.5, then if you get a number greater than 0.5, then it'll return whatever guys are within that subset. So I think that makes sense. So I'll just add a couple of colors first. So those are dungeon, game constants. Okay, let's do monster colors. Monster, and then so different difficulty monsters will have different colors, basically. So if it's like, so each monster has 3 evolutions like Pokemon. So you got the basic monster, you got the middle monster, and then you have the high class monster, right? So all the basic monsters will be like, I don't know, black, and then monster basic color, and then monster intermediate color, monster deadly. I don't know, sure. No, we'll do advanced. Well, yeah, we'll do advanced. Basic, intermediate, advanced. So those are 3 colors, and then I'm just gonna go to RGB color picker. With my website. Okay, so it goes from, it shifts from, say, so docile, a completely docile creature will be green, or more, they'll be either they'll be like greenish. A slightly dangerous monster will be this color, further, this color, further, completely red. So we'll use this one. Okay. This music's let's do this one.
People don't realize when they walk outside.
I don't realize. There we go. We'll aim for another hour of streaming, and then we shall be good for today. And then I will make this somehow interesting. Somehow. Okay, so basically I found my 3 colors. So for that, basic, intermediate, color, and then, so we have fighter, that's how they spawn, right? And then we have, I guess we could just have a monster class, and then we can standardize the probabilities for now. So like, we can say, okay, you know, so it'll go this way. You'll have the probability of you encountering each monster is equal, and then there. So for each monster, like okay, say you have a goblin, right? Actually, yeah. So you have a goblin, right? The goblin will have 3 damage ranges, right? It'll have 3 damage ranges and then 3 defense ranges. You know, a basic goblin will have. That'll be fun. Okay. Okay. So basically, a low level goblin would have very low damage, very low health, very low defense, very low health. So they'll have like a damage of say 5, and then a health of 4, and it goes so for like that. So you have those 3 sort of brackets. Right now we're gonna keep them normal. So they have 3 brackets. So you say basic. Yeah, so you have basic range for. So basic damage, basic defense, and the damage and the defense are kind of closely related. So like a defense will be like 2 lower, or it'll be something. For now it'll be like, okay, you have it'll be like a dictionary. So you have monster, then for each monster you can add its certain difficulties. For now we're adding you know, basic whatever. So we'll have a class for that. And then we'll have the color. The color will be the same. The character, that'll be a bit different, but so monster will be a component of game object. Well, so the monster class is a factory. It's a factory. Okay, that makes sense now. Okay. Monster dot, and we'll add different monster types, but this is the basic one. Monster dot py class monster. And then we'll give it a. Yeah, the fluid part would make it harder though for now. So self monster, and then we'll give it a name. That's the first thing. So you know, we'll have a self.name equals name. And then the colors we already specified are they're constant already. The fighter is not. So we'll have. I guess. So basically. I don't know how to go about that. Well, I'll give it a hash. Well, no, I'll do def add damage add I got it. Okay. This is gonna be weird, but it'll be fine. Add monster stats for difficult evolution. self monster stats, which will be a hash array, which will have, it'll be basic, intermediary, wow, and then advanced. And then right now it'll be a pairing of its health and it'll be its health, and then it's the health will stay the same. Health doesn't matter. Well, it'll be a 3 pair. It'll go health. So it'll be a hash itself. I'll give it a this will be a static method. Stat dictionary, which will be health, attack, and defense. I think, you know why I have so many more viewers? Because I changed the music. That's why. So initially it'll go like 10, 5, 4. So then I can increment it by, this is 15, this is 20, this is 7, this is 6, this is 10, and this is, the way you would preferably balance it out is you use an Excel spreadsheet, and then you just kind of do combinatorics wise on that. But I will balance it out. I'll force a couple people to balance it out at wherever I do my beta testing. It is the music. People come and they listen to the music. Okay, 5, 7, 12, 9. So this guy's gonna be the tough guy. You can survive him, he's just really tough. So that's a stat dictionary. And then add monster stats for evolution. And so we'd say, okay, monster difficulty. And then we can say, okay, if it's wherever I beta test, yeah. Monster difficulty. Okay, yeah. So I guess has key. There's a has key function, right? Python has key. Okay, if monster difficulty in self dot, what is it, self dot, yeah, so Spark, self dot monster stats, then we'll say, okay, then we give it a stat dictionary. Okay, then we'd say self monster difficulty will equal that stat dictionary, like that. Okay. And then and we can just say cool. Maybe, well, evolve, this is adding the stats for it though. The evolve function is independent though. Because this is saying, okay, here's your 3 scenarios. You can either have a basic one, intermediate one, or advanced one. Those are your 3 scenarios. Then we'll have def spawn instance and in this case, oh, and then we have to have our char. The reason we have to have a char is this is how it's going to identify the monster. So when we spawn an instance, first we'll give it the from, what is it? From fighter import fighter from game object import game object. So essentially, okay, essentially, if I look in the way I'm spawning the monsters, essentially the way I'm using the monsters right now. Thank you, monster. This is in the dungeon? It's in the dungeon. Okay, so you have the random X, random Y, name, seeing the color. So we can take all of this code here, right? The AI, the fighter, the monster. Well, everything except for the AI. The AI would have to... AI we have to modify a little bit. AI will stay the same. But... Hey. Or when we spawn it and we tell it what the target is.
Is this a game?
Mm-hmm.
What's the game?
It's... Dang it, Andrew. You broke the game. You broke the game. Wait, okay.
Let's see how it is. Okay. What's the G? Can you explain what's happening?
The G is supposed to be a goblin.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I just died.
So how do you not die?
You fight the monsters.
How do you fight them? Because
By-
it looks like you just walked over them.
You walk over them. You
But-
attack them. There will be a dashboard on the right
Okay,
side that'll show you when you attack them.
Can I show you? Wait, can I try?
No.
No?
Yes, go ahead.
So, first of all, one of them is in the wall right now.
Yes.
Wait, it just went through the wall. What do I do
That's-
to attack?
You walk towards them.
Wow.
Yeah, are you okay?
Riveting gameplay.
Anything else? You're gonna die.
What?
You were too bad at the game.
How do you attack?
I'm not telling you. It's secret.
What's the game called?
Right now it's called it's a Rogue Bird.
Rogue Bird?
Yeah. Do you have an issue with that?
No, don't hit me.
Okay, I figured it out. So when we spawn
Who's in
them,
your chat?
my friend Trevor, and that's about it.
Hey Trevor. I
Oh,
used to have 6 viewers. Does that say 6?
huh?
Yeah, I have 6 people.
So basically, what this will do is that we do this. We give it the monster AI, we give it the fighter class, and then we spawn in the game object with everything. and the game, and then what will happen? Let me check the game object thing. Okay. The game object has a game. The game has a fighter. If it's a fighter, let me tell it to be its owner. So in theory, this should work if I do this right. If I mess it up, then no, it's not gonna work. It's very, very interesting, but I will get it to work somehow. Okay. Are you recording me, Andrew?
No.
Why did you say no?
Because I said I'm not recording it
You-
anymore.
But you are recording me. So we'll give it the monster name.
What program are you using?
I'm using
Godot?
Python.
I was like looking at, because I wanted to make a game. Is a Godot an easy start?
Do you know Python?
No. I mean, I'm new.
Scratch. You should learn Scratch.
No.
Are you okay?
I'm not learning Scratch.
Why not?
Because I don't want to learn Scratch. Also, this can Chrome OS run? Wait, is that what's at the school?
Yeah.
Can it have applications?
What do you mean?
Like, I was like, if I'm able to learn how to make games at a certain school, at a certain location that I cannot disclose, I want to know if Chrome OS can like download code. Someone messaged you.
I know.
Yo, Andrew. It's actually Andrew, but
Oh, hey, Trevor, do you want to get a job?
who's Trevor?
Trevor's the person watching.
No, but like, do I know him?
No,
How does he know my name?
because I'm him.
You messaging yourself?
Yeah. Trevor's a bot.
I see how it is. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Too late.
Hey, everyone who's watching, if you have an Amazon Prime account, you can connect it to your Twitch Prime and sponsor the stream by subscribing. That's right. That's for free. If you have Amazon Prime, you can connect it to your Twitch. And since we told you that info, and you get a free sub, you can sub to us, and we get money.
Okay, Trevor, I will message you the information after I finish streaming tonight. I actually, the place where I work has the most flexible hours in the world. You could literally like work like, oh, I don't know. You could literally work like 2 hours a week. That's like how flexible it is. I only worked what is it? I only worked, I think. How many hours did I work? I think I worked 4 or 5 hours this week. I don't think I worked that much. Dude, I don't know how to teach. I don't know how to teach. I'm still a teacher. I legitimately, I don't know how to teach. And it's also Scratch. Like, you figure it out. I don't know how to teach. Oh. Okay. Alright. Don't say, you didn't hear anything.
Okay, so I have a question, Michael.
Yeah.
Let me pitch you an idea for a game.
No.
No?
Wait, what are you gonna do?
Pitch you an idea. But I'm just sitting here. You ready?
Okay.
Okay, my idea.
We'll give it a monster difficulty.
Um,
Yes?
my idea is it's this game called Druid, and if you've played D&D, you know the Druid can shapeshift into animals, right? So, basically, you be this Druid guy, right? It's like a platformer, except it's kind of like Mario Odyssey, except like 2D side scroller. Any like animal you see, you can learn to shapeshift into later.
Yeah, hey, Andrew, you want to grab a chair and sit next to me?
Why?
It's for the views.
I've actually been in his closet for 2 weeks, and he hasn't fed or given me water.
Oh yeah. Who?
So,
Wait, what?
you.
I haven't given. You don't live in my closet. Don't tell such lies.
What?
Don't lie. Right?
I'm not.
You better not be you better. Hey. Okay, good.
You told me to put a chair, you didn't say where.
You have to be in the thing.
Hey, let me put my glasses on.
Okay, are you gonna go? You gotta be in the view. Damn, Andrew. Sorry, this is.
One
Okay.
minute delay over here, by the way.
This is. I forgot. Hey, Trevor, do you know what a factory or no Ninja? Do you know what a factory method is or factory class? Cause I don't know what it is.
Oh, wait. Yo, I remember this guy.
What?
Wait, almost ninja?
He's a redhead.
I remember him.
How? What do you remember?
Wasn't he like Ben's friend?
Yeah. No, yeah. I put them in the video game. That's where they go.
Hi, Trevor.
Okay, I think.
Yeah, I only knew you because you used to play TF2 all the time, and your name was Almost Ninja, so I never really knew your real name.
Oh yeah, and then we would. Oh yeah. Okay. So, I think this kind of works, but. What I know what.
What's
No,
the factory
I
method?
don't. Okay. And then I think. I think. So you set it to the stat dictionary.
Okay, these glasses make my eyes hurt.
Hmm?
These make my eyes hurt.
Yeah, why are you wearing them?
To make it look like I wear glasses.
Okay. I guess we'd import the colors. I feel like I'm just trying to force myself to be object oriented, but I'm not really, so this is like really weird. Okay.
Don't worry, Michael. I know you don't keep slaves in your closet. That would be
From-
too uncivilized. You got a dungeon for them, though, right?
Are you okay? My eyes. Andrew, my eyes,
My eyes are burning.
Dude. Ultimate Smash. Smash Ultimate.
Yeah, it released.
Nintendo Switch?
Nintendo Switch?
Nintendo Switch?
Nintendo Switch.
What do you think about
Are you
Nintendo?
proud of me, Michael? I tweeted something and I already have 25 retweets and it's only been an hour.
Dude, I've had 12 retweets one time. I don't know what you mean.
12 retweets in how much time?
I don't know. This is pseudocode. You see this? This is pseudoscience. For some reason, calling stuff pseudoscience is like from factory pattern is a static class that does usually it's complex with simple inputs. Its best use is returning a certain superclass so as to encapsulate the subclass. Okay, I'm hoping that you didn't memorize that, cause that's a
Wait.
lot.
You're streaming at like a really bad specs. Like if you look in the bottom right, it's 0.
Okay, that's
Kilobytes
because
a
someone's
second.
burning for the internet. From
I don't look, but on the screen on the right, it seems to be fine.
what do you mean?
Like on the right, the video preview. So I don't know what's happening.
I don't know.
It might be buffering though. Whenever it hits red for other people.
Maybe.
It'd be funny if I just kicked your Ethernet box right now.
I think I'm gonna have to just spend. I think I'm gonna like have to spend like just a day like rehashing all this architecture tomorrow. No, this part, like this, like you create this once. Like it's like how do I put it? You create it once, and that's it. Like I should make this static, and I could, but I'd rather put it in a class, cause in case say I want to duplicate a monster, or say I want to write a mutation thing, then I can just take the monster class, take that as an input, and mutate it into a new monster. It makes complete sense.
Oh wait, is Trevor also in Spark?
So basically, here's what happened to Trevor. So you know how like after I read a book on programming, I was never the same again, and now I'm this like really socially awkward person.
No.
I'm sorry.
You're always that way.
Okay.
You're special, Michael. Don't worry.
Okay. Anyway. So basically, Trevor got bitten by a radioactive computer bug, and now he's basically like the second best. No, he's one of the best programmers in Spark, besides me.
Wow.
He's probably on par with me, maybe even better. He's probably better at some things. Like he's way better at architecture. Like his code is a lot more cleaner than mine.
Okay, Michael. So are you gonna replace your little weird like symbols with actual like sprites?
No, that's the whole point of the game.
Why?
Because.
Are you trying to be like hip?
Huh?
You trying to be hip?
No, it's not hip, it's retro. Look, this is the...
It's not retro. Retro had sprites.
No, it's supposed to be like increasingly just... Okay.
I've seen Dwarf Fortress.
It's gonna be... Okay, making...
Look at those nice sprites.
That's not a sprite.
It is a sprite.
This is not a sprite. This is a person.
What?
Okay, that's not the point. Okay. What did you just do?
I sniffed.
I hope not. Okay. So,
Why are you coding in, what is this?
this is
Atom?
Python.
Atom?
Yeah, what am I supposed to code in?
Like, if I were to make my game.
What game? You can't make games.
I said, you were gonna teach me. Michael!
Wait, okay, can you act like you're coding for like a couple minutes? Just here, I'm gonna say
Okay,
the
Vika's coming upstairs, he had to go.
Let's act like you're coding.
Okay. Ew, this music is so dumb. Okay, so first we're just gonna... Oh. Oh, crap. Wait.
No, this is not how you're not coding it right. No. No. Okay, Andrew, just stop. Stop. I can't teach you. I was wrong.
What? I wrote true statements.
Sit back on the couch. Watch the master.
Did you see what I wrote?
Yeah, it's not.
I'm a pro.
No. No, you're not. I can't see anymore. My eyes are burning. I think I'm gonna have to Control A, backspace W, press cancel. No, that's how you close the window. Okay.
Wait.
I think this.
I think he's trying to get you to like not save.
Yeah.
Control W, close window. And
Okay,
then, like,
let's see if
cancel.
any of my code is bad. Okay,
I think
so
all
far
your
no.
code is bad.
Shut up.
Plus, you picked like the worst colors. They don't.
Can you
even,
be
like,
quiet?
There's not even a color scheme to it.
Shh. Okay.
Don't
So.
forget to get Twitch Prime and sub to Mecha Sparrow with your free sub per month using Twitch Prime.
Okay, I think this should work. I don't know anymore. I don't know. This is a bunch of dirty code. Okay. Let me check what the roasted. Are you trying to smoke my incense, Andrew? Okay.
But like, would I use Atom, or would I use a different?
Well, right now the most popular text editor for some reason is Visual Studio Code.
No, I mean a game engine that's like easy. Like it will like autofill stuff for me, because I can't code. So
you
no,
would
something
use
where I could just like. No, stop. No Scratch.
Why? Why not? What's wrong with Scratch?
I don't want Scratch.
Then you should let me teach you. I'm a professional.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah?
So, a few days ago in art, we were like doing a clay project, right? And I needed to ask someone if my design, which was a skull, like a skull candle thing, right?
Yeah?
So she was like walking over to get my hole puncher because she was just making her paper model for now. And then I pull back the hole puncher and I didn't realize it, but I was pointing like my clay knife at her. And I was like,
so now
tell me if it looks good. And
So now she thinks you're what?
it was like a sharp clay knife. I don't know if it was like an X-Acto knife or something, but I was like pointing it at her. I didn't realize it. And then she's like, I just want the hole puncher. I'm like, tell me if my skull looks good.
What?
I think I'm on the FBI watch list now.
Why did you do this?
Because I wanted to know if my skull looked
Oh my
good.
gosh, this is so sad. Can we get 20 likes?
We get 20 subs. Wyatt, do you have a thing that shows whenever someone subscribes?
No. Why?
Nothing.
Shh. Oh, I do have a thing. When you subscribe, you get a penguin.
Why don't you just use...
Shh. Ow! That hurt. Actually, do some project management too.
Andrew, Michael is using a text editor. We call them IDEs because they actually do some project management stuff too, called Atom. The language that he's writing in is called Python, I know that. Learning your first...
No. It's a little animation. You get an animation whenever you,
Learning your first programming language will take a while, so make sure you can commit. I wish I could commit to a lot of things. Mostly soon. Never mind.
What did you just say, Andrew?
Nothing.
I was about to say you're having some issues breathing right there.
What?
Don't say I warned you.
I won't have issues breathing until I get a rope, okay? So,
What?
my favorite animal used to be a monkey because they creepily reminded me of humans, but now they're penguins. Because penguins are like...
Hey,
they're like-
penguins are my favorite animal.
Cause like they're like little men in tuxedos, and then you can like they're really cuddly. So plus like they don't drown as easily.
Ah.
So you can waterboard them. Cause I've waterboarded so many children. I'm afraid
Can you not?
that like with penguins I would just waterboard them, but they're used to it.
Name is not defined. I'll define you. What, are you okay, Andrew?
I wanted to play Nard.
Monster AI is not defined.
Okay, Michael, if you get to a good stopping point, can we play Naruto?
Then I have to stream Naruto.
Yeah.
There's a Naruto video game.
It's called, wait, what's the full name? Naruto Shippuden Ultimate, no, Shonen Jump, Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Storm 3 Full Burst HD Edition. 3.
Monster object has no monster name. Boy, I didn't pay $0 for this Python knowledge. See, look at these. Okay, there we go. Okay, we will see you.
Why is it in a completely blocked room?
You didn't see anything.
Was that a generation mistake?
No.
Degenerate. I mean, like, it. No, why are there so. I'm a pro.
No, I just made them extra weak. Do you want me to make it?
Stop,
know,
stop.
Stop it. Stop it.
I see how it is.
I'm making them hard for you now.
Is it like. Is this RNG based?
It will be. Here.
Like I was saying.
Try again, Andrew, and try winning this time.
The idea of my game was that. Why is the thing so weird? It's like a druid who basically just finds
Wait, what?
different
Where's the enemies? Oh, there they are.
Oh my god, why is it red?
It's red because you're gonna die.
Hey, look, it's like a clone of me. How do I attack it without
You
it
have to
hurting me?
move towards it.
How did it?
You're dead.
No. How did it? Wait. This is so easy. I thought like the original thing that you copied this off of was better.
What do you
Just
mean?
saying.
What do you mean? It works.
Is there like an exit?
There is no exit.
What's the point then? If there's no exit, what's the point?
Well, there's gonna be a point where
You
can
can
find-
outrun them actually.
Why won't you die? Go and die.
This is intense. Oh gosh.
You're dead.
No. You.
You're dead, dude.
Okay, so it's gonna be like a druid who finds enemies, but they're all like animals and furries.
Wait, what
Because
did?
Michael's a furry.
I'm
and
not a furry.
And I just wanted to go after him, you know. So if you've played D&D, druids can like morph into different animals. So it'll be like if you find a certain.
Ha! You see what you can do? Oh shoot! I know them. I just haven't watched them.
Extra credit JS. I have a headache. So the druid, he asked what I was gonna say. As you encounter enemies, you can like morph into the different animals, kind of like Mario. Yeah, no, it's more like Mario Odyssey. If you've played Mario Odyssey. So, because Mario Odyssey, Mario has Cappy.
So you want? What did you say? Druid?
Yeah, a druid.
Okay.
So,
I'm gonna have a monsters.py. Monsters.
like Mario throws his cap at like an enemy, and then he possesses the enemy and gets like the action. He becomes that enemy, right? Except instead of having to like possess it, like just like knowing that that animal exists. Like if you encounter that being, you add it to your list of things you can transform to. And there's also like a default, like the default druid with just like earth spells and stuff. That's my idea. And it's gonna be like a platformer where it's gonna be a puzzle platformer where you like use your different animals to traverse terrain in different ways.
What other enemy should I add?
What?
What other enemy?
I don't know. A cobalt?
What's a cobalt? I'm gonna add a serpent.
Okay. Changing moves that still puzzle platform. I think I want it to be more like
Serpent.
who guessed? What?
Okay.
This delay makes things so confusing.
I know. Well, you can message him on the if you have your phone.
Where's my phone? I think I want it to be more like puzzle oriented because druids in D&D aren't like really primarily for damaging things. So it can be like you can hurt things, but only if you really have to. I just don't know how I want like the ability to switch to different things like easier. Yeah, puzzle platformer.
Okay, now I have a thing of monsters.
Yeah, I would like to make it, but I don't know how to program.
Why did you tell Vika, dude, you know that your instructor doesn't know how to program?
I know, she guilt tripped me.
Why would you let somebody guilt trip you?
Like we went over to record the video, right? And I was like, she's like, so you're gonna tell her that you don't want to go to the lessons anymore. Because they had Chrome OS. And you know how crap Chrome OS is? It's
Dude,
like the
I
worst
know.
thing
I'm a
to
teacher
teach
there.
Programming.
I know, I'm a teacher.
So she goes, oh, I understand how it is. She's like,
I
but
know.
you do know that like it kind of looks weird if you do that because you just like you were gonna like make something for them, you're gonna like edit a video for them. It'd be kind of weird if you just quit. And I was like,
Did Vika say that?
yeah.
Oh
So,
boy.
She's like, what if you just try it out for a month?
There's so much drama.
This-
So much drama.
Did you just quote one of my?
A bard fighter. What's revile?
A D&D character, their name. Oh, like a double class?
T-Cod, get.
I wish I had a D&D group, but no one wants to play with me. So like I resorted to literally like searching Reddits to find D&D groups. And whenever I join a group, they're like, no, you can't join. We already reached max capacity. You didn't reach max capacity. You're a bunch of fat people on Discord trying to play D&D. You know you didn't reach max capacity. I just want to
max capacity in their soul.
What? I want to fulfill my fantasy of being a paladin, okay? And no one wants to play D&D with me.
See, all you have to do to be a good programmer.
Are you any good at DM? Because I'm kind of super shit and busy. I can't DM. Like, I DM for my friends, but then
It would be cool to have a D&D group.
Michael could DM.
I could, me? Oh boy, I don't know. I haven't DM'd in a while.
You haven't DM'd at all. Stop, right there.
I DM'd once.
No, you didn't. That was like the fake D&D that we were playing.
How many people do we need for a campaign?
I like how as I'm messaging something not too serious, the discussion always shifts a bit.
Serious.
It's fine because the discussion is interesting.
The discussion means there is after
Okay.
effects.
If we can find someone who is willing to DM and is experienced and isn't gonna do any diddy daddling.
Diddly a daddy.
Diddy daddy. Yeah, didn't Ben was like, yeah, let's play simple D&D where like you can literally do anything.
Simple D&D.
Yeah, and that was like really dumb. Because like it was completely luck based. Like there's no normal D&D is luck based too, but like there's actually like damage rolls and not just like, oh, you got a 1, you instantly die. That's not how it works. And there's if we play D&D, I want to play 5e.
Wait, when was this? Was this?
I don't think I was there for when you guys were playing D&D though.
Wait.
I watched like 1 round.
I don't remember this. Was I DMing?
Do you play 5e or like have you played 5e? Cause there's this website called D&D Beyond where like it makes it really easy to make characters.
Oh boy, wait, you mean the rule books? Oh, dude, how much do we need? How many people do we need for a party though?
Okay, well we need.
That's my question.
We need a healer. We need a. I mean, like not. I can be a cleric.
Shh. I'm kidding. Both of us. Both of us.
You guys were both DMs.
Wait. Was it? It was me, you, Ben, and then who else?
Any number works. Not. I mean.
Huh. We should see if anyone in Spark would be interested. 3 is yeah. 3 would be healthy.
Yeah.
I guess.
Group of like 4 people in total.
What's
Rev-
reval? I don't know.
Rev-
You have to explain it to
Revelli?
us.
Ratatouille.
Okay, so this should give us a random difficulty.
Wait, do you guys want to see my jewelry design? I need to go get my sketchbook.
Oh boy. Okay, bye bye. Andrew will return with his art. Andrew's my artist that doesn't draw me anything yet. Okay, this might work. Nope, I misspelled something. Monter. Rando. I found it. Okay. List is out of range. Ah. YouTube Reveal. Oh, wait. Is he from Deltarune? Is he from Deltarune?
Rousey? Wait, did he say Rousey?
No, I think.
Wait.
No.
Oh no. Okay.
He's talking about different character. Are you talking about different character or the one
Deltarune
from
is
Deltarune?
epic. Here, this is the druid I was talking about. Wait. You can show. Just don't show the back.
That
Just
hurt.
don't show the back.
What? Okay. Okay, now look at this. So we got a serpent. Wait, how do I show this?
The front.
Oh, okay. This is Andrew's character, by the way.
Wait, show the bottom too.
And then there's this part where there's a specific character designs. Yeah, I get it. So it's a bard. What does a bard do?
Not a bard. It's a druid.
No, I know, but
Oh.
Trevor's talking about a bard.
Oh, a bard is kind of like a mix of all classes. He's kind of like in the middle. He's like
Okay, here you go.
he's a jack of all trades. He's not, but like if you mix a bard with any class, if you like do a dual classing, it's really good. Reveille.
Anyway.
A bard fighter. So it's gonna be like.
Don't. worry about me. Just messing with the thing.
Sorry,
So now,
can't see. What?
whoa. Okay.
Can't see from back.
So now we have.
Maybe Discord? What?
It's probably because he didn't see. Well, maybe. He
Oh,
probably
maybe
didn't see
'cause, like-
smaller ones.
See what?
The smaller guys. Okay.
Wait.
So now we get a random difficulty. Okay. I think. Hey, Andrew, can you play through this for me?
Where's
Andrew,
what's
play through this.
what's his Discord? What's your Discord thing? Oh my god. No.
They're all different
You should
difficulties.
make like the biggest difficulty, like move 2 blocks at a time. So you
No, that's cheating.
so you can't like run away from it.
The whole point is that you. Well, eventually you're gonna have to face it.
No. I mean, yeah, that's the point.
Because that'll happen, and now you're screwed.
So he has a bugle, which is a martial instrument, and a short sword is a martial weapon. It's an army song, basically. Dude is very much. A
Okay,
military
Andrew,
man.
I'll tell you. Here, I'll show you the guy's Discord.
I like your character.
His Discord is this.
That isn't his number.
Fine. There's his number.
Almost ninja.
Okay, so I think the last thing I'm gonna do is that basically okay, so basically there should be a pop-up that happens that whenever, let me see what I have right now. Monster Factory. Okay. I'm gonna have to might have to repurpose a couple things because the dungeon generation works. It's just something I have to do some sort of proximity based room tunneling.
I was looking for him.
Okay, I'll give it to
I
you.
see how it is.
No, you don't see it because you're blind.
Almost ninja. 2-8. And then I won't see. Wait. Oh, okay, I sent it to you, and then I can send you the pictures of the bard and better thing.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so we'll add another characteristic to the dashboard. So
Okay.
self
Our parents are
visible.
drunk again.
Self visible by default is true. Okay. So visible.
Why am I taking a video of me?
Okay, and then if you're a fighter. Okay, so then we're gonna add another dashboard. I guess we can do a custom message dashboard. Sure. Yeah. Okay. Custom message.
Monster Factory sounds like a. Every time I look at Discord, I gotta tab out of Twitch.
Custom message
Okay.
dashboard. Okay. Set.
I don't know if the photos I sent him was like good enough because one of them is blurry.
Yeah. Self message Michael's message.
Can I play through it again?
I will give it to you in a second. Are you okay? Well, I think the stream is live based on Discord. It's
What?
yeah. Okay.
Oh wait, I think it's. No. I don't think Twitch messages are delayed. They shouldn't be. Unless you have slow mode on. No, that's on YouTube streaming. Never mind. My head hurts.
Shh. Okay.
You roofied me, Michael.
What are you talking about?
Why else do you think my head hurts?
No. Your
I
head
lived
is
in your
fine.
closet for 2 days.
He doesn't live in my closet. Okay.
Yeah, I don't live in your closet. I'm a prisoner in your closet, Michael. Are you serious? You roofied me.
No.
You freaking put this chair against that door so I couldn't open it.
No.
And then you like stacked a ton of weights on it.
No, that's what you did to me.
Yeah, okay. And then guess what? You're streaming, you take the seat off so that I can come into your room and I can like, you know, stream with you cuz you want me for views. I see how it is.
No. No,
this is a plot. This is a scheme.
No. This is not. No, it's. No.
I am
No.
disappointed.
Andrew.
I am disappointed in you.
Can you.
You betrayed your brother.
How?
You put him in that closet.
You put yourself in the closet.
I didn't for 2 days, Michael.
Okay.
Are you serious?
No. You're fine. Okay. Just calm down, Andrew. It's fine.
You know what I had to eat in that closet?
No.
I had to eat my feces. 2 days.
I keep my slave quality in Andrew, you're burning me out. You're making me sad.
Do you think that it was good to eat your shirts?
Andrew, can you shut up? You're scaring me.
Next time you put me in there, I'm gonna construct a knife. I'm gonna break open the wall and just take wood shrapnel out and just stab you next time you release me.
Can you stop?
It's not funny.
It's not.
Why are you laughing? Stop!
I'm not laughing. It's okay, Andrew. Andrew, it's okay.
Yeah, it's just kidding. He gave me food.
See, Andrew is fine, right? Okay.
I think I
Right.
did a good acting job. That was good.
I hope.
I'm gonna take that out of context if you ever get me to edit this stream. I'm gonna be like...
Wait, why would I let you edit this stream? Do you want to edit my 10 hours of footage?
You've been streaming for 2 hours.
But I have 5 videos that I streamed every day this week. Yes. Are you okay?
What?
Dude, I streamed.
Anyway, that's the character, cause like that's the character I want to use to make the game. I like sketched it on paper, but I have a drawing tablet, so I can make sprite animations and stuff. And then I don't want like a stupid name, like who would like name their game Rogue Bird or something? I'm gonna name my game simple, just a druid. Like it's not gonna be anything more, anything less. It's just the simplest name you can think of. Cause like always the games with the simplest names get the most recognition. Like seriously, Rogue Bird.
Andrew, it's a placeholder name.
It's a placeholder name. Michael loves birds. One time, we saw this bird on the road and it wasn't like moving whenever a car passed by it. And you know what happens when a bird doesn't like react to cars? It got like. Now it was like just like it looked like a smoothie, like one of those strawberry smoothies, and it was just like all across the floor. You know, a little feather there, a little eyeball there, and Michael. Oh my gosh, he just picked that up. He slurped that off the ground like it's borscht. He slurped that borscht, okay?
Can you not? Super Meat Boy was really a relatively simple name. Oh, what birds? Oh yeah. I didn't eat anything.
Fucking you got. See, I'm good at like spilling Michael's secrets. I'm gonna get less food in the dungeon tonight. Super Meat Boy wasn't a relatively simple name. I think it is. It explains what it is and like doesn't add more or less.
High dash.
It's just literally a Super Meat Boy. Okay, just realized the story maybe not be super real after you said he ate the bird.
I don't eat birds.
Okay, the story isn't real, but what we really saw was there was this bird and
It's so hard to program under these circumstances.
He was standing and he got like a bunch of cars past him. One of them hit him, but it didn't crush him like I explained it did. He just kind of like went to the side of it and he was still alive. I don't remember what happened. Either like one of us poked it or like it just like flew away on its own. So no brain gush, no smoothie, sadly. Cause simple is always more, right?
You're scary.
Michael, can I have my medicine?
No,
Why?
because I am not gonna do that. Let's see, I have a better idea. No medicine, Andrew. Not right now. Just give me a second. Okay. What? What are we trying to disprove again?
Oh, cause I was saying that the simpler the name of a game.
You've been live by this point.
You drink more tea. He's trying to prove to me that not only games with the simplest names are the ones that are like good.
There we go. There we go.
Keep talking and nobody explodes.
Okay,
That's-
there's a game over screen.
I've never heard of keep talking and nobody explodes. So I think that just proves my point.
Keep talking, nobody explodes as a game, Andrew.
Yeah, I know. Wait. Wait. This guy's Sheik from my...
I got a better idea.
Faster than light. I think that's what it says. Or is it fatter than light? Whoa. Zany! Guys, let's make a deal. You guys do literally all the programming, and I do the character design. It's a win-win. And then I post the game, and I don't give you any credit.
Can you not? Convo? What's a convo? Not visible. If it's not visible, why are you drawing it?
I saw this post on For Exposure, and it was like this guy who wanted a web design, right? And he messaged this guy, and he's like, "Can I get like a really quick mock-up a web design?" And he's like, "Oh yeah, sure. That's like my cheapest price. Or do you want to negotiate?" And he's like, "Price? It's just a mock-up. Like I could do it myself if I really wanted to." And he's like, "I swear, I'll give you exposure if you like just give me a mock-up that I can base mine off of."
Yeah, you get 70% of the profits, right, Andrew?
Yeah, I get 70%. It's the profits. Sorry, my translator turned off. And you guys get 30% of the profits, but I made you unknowingly sign a contract where you have to give me all the profits that you earned. So really, it's not really your profit. So I still get 100% of the profits, but it's disguised as if I get 70% of the profits.
Unknowingly say that
Yeah.
that's bad.
So like, if you sign to get 30% of the wait.
Oh boy.
Michael, can you do ASMR?
No, I have an issue. I have an issue. Yes, we did it. We did it. There's a game over screen.
Did you know that Smosh sold themselves a while ago for stock to this one company, and that's the reason they went so bad? Like, that sucks. Can you imagine like having a really big YouTube channel and then this company walks up to you and it's like, "Oh, we'll pay you," and it's like, "We'll pay you with stock."
I'll pay you to not be happy. I'm kidding. Hey, stop. You're moving the camera.
I know. Sometimes my psychic.
Yeah. That's it. I think I'm burnt out today. What do you think, Andrew?
Yeah, let's play Naruto now.
No.
Let's play Naruto now.
Stop. Okay, that's it for today, guys.
Let's play Naruto.
Shh.
I don't want to go back in the closet. Please
No.
keep streaming.
No, we're done. They were like second most subbed. Yeah, they were.
Yeah, no, they used to be first, and then PewDiePie beat them. Like a while back. Yeah, they were the most.
Yeah, I'm good for today. I
No,
got
please.
Bye.
I don't want to. No, no. Please, no.